puppies play. Puppy don't want leash. A box. The puppy don't want leash. The puppy don't want leash. The puppy don't want leash.
Okay, what are you going to do with the puppy?
The puppy don't want leash.
Right, so what are you going to do with the puppy now?
The puppy don't want leash. Get puppy off on leash.
Put him... We tied it really tight on his neck a long time ago. We can't get it off. Can you play with another puppy? Put another puppy in the blanket?
I can't do it. I have really big puppy. You only did Watson.
There's another puppy. Is that your baby? What are you doing?
I put puppy on my head.
And it's staying. It's staying on your head. Wow. What made you think to do that?
That's a good puppy. That's the way here.
Okay.
It has the Leo. Like that. Oh, Patterson. I need Leo. I need blanket. I need chair. I need another chair. A plate.
Whoa, don't fall backwards.
Make a blanket for my little bed, my bed. Over my bed. You'll be perfect. A week. And my
Oh, it's a puppy tent? A pup tent?
the pup tent. Puppy.
Get in the pup tent. Wylie, are you really going to try to fit in there? I think you're too big. Oh, my leg is stuck under the... Okay. Wylie. Wylie. Are you taking care of those puppies? I want to end this, but I wanted to get her to look at the camera first. Wylie, look at Mommy. Look at me. Do you want me to help you with the tent?
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to get out bigger blankets and bigger chairs?
No, I get a little puppy blanket.
Okay. Just a little puppy blanket.
Come here, puppy. It's time to sleep in there.
Wylie. You're so cute. Oh, he's cold. I think he feels better now. Can I get kisses from you? Kiss, please.
Mommy, sit down.
Can I get a kiss, please? You're so adorable.
Mommy, sit down.
Okay. Well, that's a place to end. All right, Wylie, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.